Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the organelles of what organelles, what structures are present inside an animal cell. So there are more than 200 different kinds of cell. When you're going to discuss about a cell, so cell is not type. It tells you you have more than 200, okay, different types of cell. What it's mean? Your hair cells completely different from your skin cells. Your skin cells are different from your heart cells. So it's mean there are more than 200 different types. The body parts, the organelles, the organs that present in your body, they have different functions, and your body that made up of different organelles, different organs, they have their own function. That's the reason the kind of cell is different in every organ. Okay, when you're going to see plants and animal cells have several basic structures called organelles. What we call them? Organelles mean to say this vacuole that present inside a cell, we name it as organelle. This is the cytoplasm. Okay, here nucleus, cell membrane, vacuoles, these all are organelles. So today our topic that is about cell membrane. So let's see and read about a cell membrane. Animal cells are surrounded by a flexible wrapping called a cell membrane. What it's mean, my dear students? Even you're going to buy something like shawarma or burger, what they do, they wrap this in some type of butter paper or aluminum foil or in different kinds of things. This is the wrapping, or maybe sometimes you wrap something with tissue paper. Okay, so in the same way, you can see here at the bottom of this page, this cell is wrapped around a membrane. What we call this? We call this as a cell membrane. You can see here that is the outer boundary that cover whole the cell. We cut it from here, we just cut it and we can slice in two parts, and then we can see these parts before the cell is surrounded like this. Okay, then we cut it from the center and we remove the upper part, this one, and remaining we can see these things. These things are here. This the outer boundary. All we name this as cell membrane, that is flexible, just like your skin. If you want to pinch or you want to little bit stretch your skin, you can easily. Why? Because your skin is flexible. Okay, my dear, till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Hurry up quickly. Well done. Very nice. Excellent. Good response. Great students. MashaAllah. Well done. Very nice. Okay. Now, after that, we know that it is a wrapping. So, the cell membrane is a layer around the outside of the cell. Okay, it's okay. It's wrapped around the cell in somewhat the same way your skin wrap around you. You can touch your skin. Okay. You feel that your skin is wrapped around everywhere on your body. If there is any scratch or any cut, what happened? Blood is coming out, okay, and you bleeding it started. So in the same way, if this cell membrane from anywhere is ruptured, this cell will damage. It gives the cell its shape. What it gives? This membrane gives the shape to the cell. The cell membrane control what material move into and out of the cell. Very easy to understand. As you know that from your main gate or from your house, the door, that's the first door or main gate from where people want to enter and people want to leave your home. There is only one gate. In the same way, if someone want to enter in your home, he or she should be enter from that gate, and you will open and close this one. Same like in the cell, this membrane work like as a door, work like as a gate, main gate. If something want to enter in the cell, this membrane allow him, it will open, and then this thing will enter in the cell. If it want to go out again, this layer will open and that material goes out from the cell. So it works like as a main gate. Only certain substances are able to enter and leave the cell. Very important for you. Okay, you are in your home. Did you allow anyone can enter your home? Absolutely not. Only your relatives, your friends, or the people you know. You just let them to enter to your home and they can go out. But you never ever allow any strangers, anyone to come and sit in your home. No. So in the same way, cell membrane allows only the things that are needed, that are specific, and or you can say that the cell, whatever it need, that can be entered into the cell, but the all other materials and the substances are not allowed to enter in the cell. Okay, about the cell membrane till here, my dear students, if you have any question, please raise your hand, otherwise type no. Hurry up, hurry up. Well done, that's great. I want everyone, my dear. Okay, good. Now, after reading about cell membrane, here we have another organelle. Its name is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cell contain a gel-like liquid called cytoplasm. It filled with the region between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Cytoplasm is mostly made of water. A variety of organelles float in the cytoplasm. Same like when you are going to jump into the swimming pool, you are start floating everywhere in the swimming pool. In the same way, this cytoplasm, now I am going to take back on the screen where you can find this. Yeah, look, this all liquid that is named as cytoplasm, all organelles are floating in this gel-like liquid. Okay, my dear. Now, come back to your textbook. Yeah, here. The cytoplasm support all the cell structures. It is just a minute. I'm still here. Yes, Abdullah, my dear, what you wanna ask?
Your voice cut out. Can't hear you. You are not talking.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay, thank you very much. No problem. Okay. Now, after understanding about the cell membrane, and then we work on cytoplasm, here you can see that a cytoplasm supports all the cell structures. It is constantly moving through the cell in a stream-like motion. Some of the cell's life processes take place in the cytoplasm. Yes, Talal, my dear.
Yes. Teacher, do share screen. I not see screen thing.
Okay, sure. Okay, sorry. This was already shared now. Okay, now you can see again.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so till here, if you have any question, my dear students, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Hurry up, all of you, quickly. Any question till here, please? Well done, nice. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your cooperation. Excellent, my dear. Okay, now come to the slides that I'm going to share with you. Here, you know very well, we already discussed about these slides last week. Even you want to see organism, we know very well, all living things are organisms. Cells of two types, animals and plant cells. Unicellular, single celled, multicellular, more than one cell. And after that, inside a cell, you can see what the organelles that are present inside an animal cell. And after that, we have only two fill in the blanks for homework. So you can see this on your workbook page number 3, from where you can see these. Both plants and animal cells perform life processes by using dash. What will come in this dash? That is your homework. Okay. I know you know the answers, but you will do it with yourself. All cells are surrounded by a dash that control the material that move in and out of the cell. This fill in the blank you also need to fill. And after that, yes, Umar Walid. Yes, my dear.
Teacher, بدوت the homework.
Workbook page number 3. Page number 3. Okay. Thank you. Okay. After that, the region between the cell membrane and the nucleus is filled with dash. So these 3 fill in the blanks that you need to complete. You need to write their answer. And inshallah, tomorrow I will explain you the next. Till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Quickly, hurry up. Anyone want to ask anything? That's great. Excellent. Thank you very much. Thanks, my dear.